The Klein Tools 80067 electrical test kit is a handyman's dream. It is a fantastic 4-piece set. This kit includes an IR digital thermometer and a versatile multimeter. Also, a handy non-contact voltage tester pen is included. Finally, a receptacle tester completes the package. This Klein Tools IR digital test kit is like a Swiss Army knife. It is essential for electrical tasks. Electricians and DIY enthusiasts will love it. Therefore, it is a highly recommended set. Furthermore, the tools are very easy to use. The IR digital thermometer is accurate. It measures temperature from a distance. The multimeter checks voltage and current. It is simple to read. The non-contact voltage tester is a lifesaver. It finds live wires safely. Moreover, the receptacle tester quickly checks outlets. It identifies wiring issues fast. This Klein Tools IR digital test kit makes electrical work safer. Consequently, it saves time and effort. It is truly a valuable investment. In addition, this Klein Tools IR digital test kit is durable. It is built to last. The quality is evident. It withstands tough job site conditions. Beginners will find it approachable. Experienced pros will appreciate its reliability. Therefore, it is perfect for any skill level. Because it covers many needs, it is very practical. This kit is a must-have. So, consider adding it to your toolbox. It really simplifies electrical troubleshooting. Pros: must-have for electronics troubleshooting. Pro-grade tool, rugged plastic housing, ergonomic. With solid grip, bright and easy-to-read display, responsive buttons, compact and portable. Accurate for heat readings, spot-on for electronics components, catches heat issues early, good. Value for money, reliable performance, works perfectly. Easy to use, accurate temperature measurement, good construction and materials, works great. For grills, holds well in hand, accurate and easy to use, quality expected from Klein Tools, great for variety of uses, good for telling temperature differences. Cons: laser pointer can be finicky, needs spare 9 volts battery, not a full multimeter replacement. Useless probes, not exact to the degree. Features: complete 4-piece electrical test kit, includes IR digital thermometer, comes with a versatile multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, receptacle tester for outlet checks, essential for electrical diagnostics, great for DIY and professional use, convenient and easy to use kit. Compact for portability, reliable. Klein Tools quality. This Klein Tools electrical test kit has everything you need for electrical work. It includes 4 useful tools: an IR digital thermometer, a multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and a receptacle tester. This kit is perfect for checking outlets, testing voltage, and measuring temperature. It's easy to use, compact for carrying around, and great for both home projects and professional jobs. You can count on its quality because it's made by Klein Tools. The Klein Tools 80067 electrical test kit is a tough, portable, and easy-to-use set of tools for checking electrical problems. It includes an infrared thermometer that is accurate for heat readings and helpful for finding hotspots, a multimeter that works well for electronics, a non-contact voltage tester, and a receptacle tester. While it's a great value and built with good materials, the kit isn't meant to replace a full multimeter. The laser pointer on the thermometer can be a bit tricky, and you'll need to have a spare 9 volts battery on hand.